9 incredible benefits of turmeric. Spice is celebrated around the world for its earthy flavor and powerful medicinal properties. A staple in traditional Indian and Ayurvedic practices, turmeric owes its benefits to curcumin, its active compound. In this video, we'll dive into 9 remarkable benefits of turmeric and share a bonus culinary tip to help you incorporate it into your meals. Number 1. Fights inflammation. Curcumin in turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, making it effective in combating chronic inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Its effects are comparable to some over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications without the side effects. Regular use of turmeric can help reduce joint pain, swelling, and overall inflammation, promoting better long-term health. Number 2. Boosts antioxidant power. Turmeric is loaded with antioxidants, which neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants protect cells from oxidative stress, slowing down aging and reducing the risk of diseases like cancer. Curcumin also enhances the activity of the body's natural antioxidant enzymes, doubling its protective effects against damage. Number 3. Enhances brain function. Curcumin has been shown to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a key growth hormone that supports brain health. Higher BDNF levels are linked to improved memory, focus, and cognitive function. Additionally, turmeric may help delay or reverse neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Number 4. Supports heart health. Turmeric promotes cardiovascular health by improving blood vessel function and reducing inflammation. Its ability to lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and prevent blood clots makes it a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. Studies also show that curcumin helps reduce arterial plaque buildup, decreasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Number 5. Aids in digestion. Turmeric stimulates bile production, aiding in the digestion of fats and reducing symptoms of bloating, gas, and indigestion. Its anti-inflammatory properties also soothe the gut lining, making it helpful for managing conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or gastritis. A warm cup of turmeric tea can be a simple remedy for digestive discomfort. Number 6. Strengthens immunity. The anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties of turmeric make it a potent immune booster. Curcumin enhances the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses, especially during cold and flu season. Adding turmeric to your meals or drinking it as tea can help fortify your immune defenses. Number 7. Promotes healthy skin. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a favorite ingredient for glowing skin. It reduces redness, acne, and signs of aging while brightening the complexion. Applied topically like eczema, psoriasis, and dark spots, leaving you with healthier, more radiant skin. Number 8. Supports joint health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects are particularly beneficial for joint health. It alleviates pain and stiffness in conditions like arthritis, helping improve mobility and quality of life. Studies suggest that curcumin supplements can significantly reduce joint discomfort, making it a natural alternative to traditional pain relievers. Number 9. May lower cancer risk. Research shows that curcumin can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the spread of tumors. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties protect cells from DNA damage, which can lead to cancer. While not a cure, turmeric may serve as a supportive tool in cancer prevention and management. Bonus, a culinary gem. Turmeric adds a warm, earthy flavor and vibrant color to countless dishes. It's perfect for spicing up curries, soups, rice, and roasted vegetables. Pairing turmeric with black pepper enhances curcumin absorption, boosting its health benefits. Try making golden milk, a comforting blend of turmeric, milk, and spices, for a delicious way to enjoy its healing properties. And there you have it, the 9 incredible benefits of turmeric, nature's golden miracle. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our healthful insights and delicious recipes. And remember to comment below with your favorite ways to use turmeric in your cooking. We love hearing from you. If you've enjoyed discovering the wonders of turmeric and are curious about other beneficial herbs, don't miss this video, 11 surprising benefits of fennel to know. Explore how this flavorful herb can transform your health and spice up your meals. Until next time, Life is better when you garden.